guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I have an amazing haul of Black Friday sales. I know it's not quite Black Friday yet. I did have another video ready to go tomorrow, which is Saturday. I am filming this after work at 3:50 p.m. I just want to get this up because I want to share these deals with you, because when I tell you that Saint Laurent is 59% off, I'm not even joking. So we switched my order videos. Let's go through everything. I have some items from Holt Renfrew as well as from Essence. One of these items I'm hoping, because I haven't opened it yet, is going to be the best present that you could give someone. If I received this, I would be ecstatic. So I can't wait to show you these items. I also placed an Aritzia order. I just bought 3 of the regular function tees and 1 of the long sleeve function tee, and then some socks. If there's anything that you should get from the Aritzia sale, I'd say, for me, get a slouch coat. I already have 5 slouch coats. I don't need another one. Get the function tee, get some of the hoodies. I already have so many hoodies. I didn't place a big order just because, honestly, I have a lot of clothes. So let's go through this before the sun sets. I'll show you the items I got from Holt Renfrew really quickly. I did an online pickup. So here is my bag. I am so excited. So I don't know if all of these will continue to be on stock or at the same price. I had early access to the sale. The sale opened up to the public today, but I placed my order on Wednesday. So the first thing that I got, it is a Longchamp bag. They had so many on sale. I'm hoping they still are. I'm hoping it wasn't just a private access deal, but this is the small Le Pliage original travel bag. I believe the original price was $235. I got it for $141. I have not seen this in person, but I got it in the Bordeaux color, which I love. You know, I picked up the small Le Pliage tote in the Bordeaux. They had this color, they had steel, which is a gray, they had the taupey kind of color, like the taupey beige, they had the bright green, the Kelly green, which I was going between, but I just thought, okay, this would be amazing, because my husband and I, Andrew and I, will go on overnight trips, or we'll go on, you know, like 2-day trips sometimes, because we hate leaving Bean for more than like 3 days, and I just thought that this would be perfect. I already know that I love the color. So I was just really excited to pick this up, and like I said, it was regular $235. I got it for $141. Where is the zipper? What is going on? Okay, here it is. So this is the small size. I know it comes in 2 different sizes, but I'm just really excited to have this, and for such a good deal. And like I said, I really love this color. They also had the small little cosmetic pouches, which I love. I picked one of those up. They had a large Kelly green color tote, medium Kelly green color tote. I don't know the actual color, I just call it Kelly green. And those were all on sale. So if it's still on sale, which I'm hoping it is, and this is such an amazing deal. And I know that this is a small size, but when I was watching reviews, people were saying that this fits so much. So it is fairly large. Like, it's the length of my arm. Of one arm, I guess you would say. So it is pretty large, but I'm happy to get that at such an amazing deal. So that was the first item that I got. These 2 items are shoes. So I had picked up a pair of the Specials, another pair. I will put it here. It's from JD Sports. I ordered the men's size by accident, because even though it's under the women's category, I guess, on the website, for some reason they put it in men's sizing. So I had ordered a 7, and it came as a 7 men's. I'll put a picture here. It is a pink with green, and I feel like it's the perfect strawberry matcha color. So if you're into those, pick them up. But I picked up 2 of the SL72 OGs. I've really been liking seeing this style on people, and like I said, I typically wear Gazelles, or I like the Specials, but I feel like this is gonna be it. Like, I think I'm gonna love these. I picked them up in a 7.5. They were regular $130. I got them for $78. Look at this colorway. I don't have this. I have the TRX, and I had got that in a men's 6, which they said was equivalent to the 7.5. So I'm hoping these fit, because look at these. Look at the colorway with the bright yellow and the yellow shoelaces. I just think these are so gorgeous. I know they had like 4 colors all on sale. So this is the first pair. I'm hoping they fit, like I said, because I have not tried them on. And then the second pair, oh my goodness. So it's this, I don't know if it's showing up true to color. This is pretty bright, like neon, I would say. I don't think it's coming up true to color. And then it has a burgundy color, almost the same, a little bit brighter, I'd say, than this. It's just not showing up true to color in the camera, I can tell right now. And then the laces are a lilac kind of color. And then there's another pink on the kind of sole there. But I am so excited for these. Please fix. I really don't want to go back to Holt Renfrew. I will say that it is a fairly narrow toe box, so if you have wider feet, you might want to size up in them or just loosen the laces. I picked up 2 more pairs of Saint Laurent sunglasses. I actually go into depth about the 2 of them in my video that will be next week's. This is the one I've decided to keep, but I did want to show you again really quickly. These were 59% off, and these I feel like are one of the most popular styles. They're the 276 Mica. I feel like everyone and their mom has these sunglasses. But these are regular $510 on Essence, and I got them for $207. Right now it's showing as sold out, but definitely keep checking the site because when people return items, it'll come back into stock. But I'm really excited for these ones. These ones are, I think there's a 53 and a 55. These are the 53, so they are a little bit of a smaller frame. I just love them. The other pair was, I believe, this is the 276. The other pair were the 277, so almost the exact same frame, just a little bit more narrow, and like a smaller this way. But I just feel like these suit my face. These are the classics. I know that there's lots of dupes on Amazon for these, but this is just like the classic Saint Laurent. It just says it right there. And these fit amazing. Like, I have no nose bridge. You can see they dropped a little bit, but honestly, they're so comfortable. So I'm very happy to have these. They just say Saint Laurent there. And like I said, this is just like the classic cat eye shape. And to get them for 59% off, I can't beat that. I really cannot beat that. This is the item that I'm so excited about. And like I said, this one is an Essence exclusive. So if you can get your hands on this, get this. Because I feel like last year it sold out. This bag is $260. It's the Essence by Simone Rocha. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Exclusive holiday 2024 beauty bag. $260 Canadian. There's 26 self-care items, a lot of which are full size. And when I tell you some of the prices of these items, it's gonna blow your mind. So this bag here, you could take everything out and gift it in this bag, but it is a neoprene bag. Last year it was a By Far bag that they gave, but this is also cute. I think this would be perfect for if you're traveling, but it's also just perfect to gift the items in. So you get that little bag and then a whole box just full of beauty items. Get a full-size Aesop Reverence Aromatic Hand Wash. I used to buy the Resurrection hand wash all the time, and I just realized, why am I buying this? This is a waste of money. But because it came in this set, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna do it. So this is a full size. I'll put the price of this one here. I think it's around 55 Canadian. And then the other Aesop product that you get a full size of is also the Reverence Aromatic Hand Balm. So this is also a full-size product. And if you wanted to, I think you could split this up and you could gift it. You could just gift these 2, for example, if you wanted to somebody. Easy present. I'm freaking out. But this is a perfume by Atelier Mature. It's the Cacao Porcelana. I'm sure I'm pronouncing this wrong. A lot of these perfumes I had not heard of. But I'm always interested in trying new perfumes, but let me just show you really quick. It's a fairly generous size. I think this one is the one I was looking at that I knew I would probably like because it's very gourmand. This is 10 mils. Just looking this up right now, this is $70 Canadian for this. Yes, please. This one is the Dries Van Noten, and this is the Eau de Parfum. This is in the, it's in Cannabis Patchouli. I probably will not like this, so this will probably be a gift, but this one is 4 mils, so it's about half the size of the other one that I gave you. But this is why I say, like, these would make amazing stocking stuffers if you wanted to. The next item is, this one I know is really expensive. I wrote down the prices of some of them. The Agent Nature or Nature Holly Bright Resurface Glass Face Mask. We all want that glass skin. 30 mils, this is $130 Canadian. From those 5 items, it's basically paid for the box. And now you just get 21 more items for free. Like, it's insane. And that bag. So I did write down, like I said, a couple of items so I can tell you. Next one is by the brand Commune. I've been wanting to try this brand because their packaging is so luxe and beautiful. Their soap and body lotion, if you can afford it and you're extra bougie, I think it'd be the perfect soap dispenser to put in your guest bathroom because it's just stunning, and then when you're done, refill it with whatever. But this is just a body wash. I know is also very expensive. This is by the brand Fortuna, which is a Canadian brand, I believe, and it is a replenishing balm, and I know that they specialize in olive oil. This is 18 grams, and they sell this on their website for 105 Canadian dollars. And it has, I think, close to 5-star reviews for this. If you have really dry skin, they're saying that this is supposed to be amazing for dry skin. I also have this item by Dr. Barbara Stern, which I have tried 2 of her items now. This is the Super Anti-Aging Serum on Dr. Barbara Stern's website. They have this 10 ml serum, $130. I kid you not. Like, the value of this, you need to get this. Either for yourself or for someone that you just want to give the perfect gift for. Like, I feel like I'm going to order another one of these. You get a little Jo Malone candle there, which is also cute. Like I said, perfect stocking stuffers. You have a body cream by Le Labo. I don't have the price of that one down. I have also another 111 Skin, which I've used. It's just a mask, a depuffing eye mask. I have this as well. It's a Augustinus Bader, the eye cream. I have the exact same one I got in the Holt Renfrew beauty bag in the summer. This, which is, oh, I think they gave 2 of these. 2 different diptyque sprays. Each of them are 5 mils. So again, good little stocking stuffers. And then Oribe Gold Lust shampoo. I mean, this would probably be one single use for me and my hair. Oh, right. So this is the little La Mer concentrate. I have used La Mer. Do I think it's worth it? For me, I wouldn't pay the price because they're not cruelty free, but I will tell you that their OG cream, when I am super parched, does miracles for my skin. I don't know what it is, but I'll wake up and my face will still be so, like, moist, which I hate that word, but it'll be like moist and just super plump. So there's something about it. I just wouldn't ever buy it myself because it's so crazy expensive. This little concentrate here is equivalent to $30.50 Canadian. I really want to try this. This is the Plasma Lip Compound. It's 5 mils. I don't have the price of that one. This one I want to try. So this is a perfume by DS and Durga, and it's called I Don't Know What, which I think is hilarious. But it's supposed to be like my Juliet Has a Gun, the not a perfume. It's just supposed to have, I can't remember what it's called, Ambrox, I believe, which sort of just intensifies and your own sort of pheromones, I believe. But I'm excited to try this because I've heard so many good things about this. This is 7.5 mils. This is $33 Canadian. Well, this is really expensive. This is another perfume. It's by, I don't know how to pronounce it, Ex Nihilo, and it's the Blue Talisman. I don't have the price of this, but I just remember this in general was really expensive. So another good perfume to try. And then we have Byredo, the Mojave Ghost perfume. So a ton of perfume. So if you know a perfume lover, this would be perfect. And like I said, because they're all sort of small and, oh my gosh, the bottle's so cute. That's a really good size as well. I've never smelled anything by them. This is 8 mils. So excited to have that as well. And then finally, we have another perfume, which is Portrait of a Lady. This is by Frederick. Is this by Frederick Mayo? I don't know how to pronounce it. Yes. I've seen this before at Holt Renfrew all the time. And then last but not least, you have a Clé de Peau cream. So, and this one is $49.50 for this little amount. 5 mils is equivalent to $49.50. I feel like the perfect gift for a beauty lover, for a fragrance lover, for a skincare lover. It's such a good one. So, and it comes with a cute little bag and you can put in the bag. So how amazing is that? Oh, another skincare thing that I picked up from Winners. I did want to show you this quickly. This, I don't know how to pronounce her name. She was a YouTuber. I don't know if she still does YouTube. It's by Sacheu. And this is her Gua Sha Duo. I got this 2 days ago from Marshall's here in Canada. And it was $34.99. It comes with 2 of the gua sha. So there's the body gua sha. They're heavy because it's stainless steel. So this is the body gua sha, and it comes with 2 small little bags to put them in. And then the face gua sha I've been using every day, and I feel like there's less puff under my face. Is the metal one. It's disgusting, like I said, because I've been using it. But it's stainless steel, and it's so amazing. I have been loving this. If you can find this at Marshall's, it's such a good price. Would highly recommend it. The last 2 items are gifts. My camera died, so I'm filming on my phone, and it's the front-facing camera. So I only have 2 items left to show you, so I know the quality won't be as good, but we're gonna work with it. These are mids, the Jordan 1s. I like the Jordan 1s. I like the Jordan 3s. I also like the Jordan 4s, but I just love this. It's just a classic, and like I said, it's the green with gray. This is something that I would wear, but I know that he loves Jordans, and I know I had asked him which one he likes the most, and he said the 1s, so I picked up that pair. The other cool thing about Essence is if they decrease in price, you can always get a one-time price adjustment. And then this pair, I contemplated getting a pair for myself. So this is for my niece. She wears the same size as me now, so this I got in a size 6 youth, which would be equivalent to about a 7.5 women's, I would say. I'm filming on my phone, so I can't check the price, but I believe these were $98 and regular $160 or $170. But these were released, I believe, back in September. They're the Air Jordan 1 Retro lows, but they're super cool. They come with little glow-in-the-dark stickers, but in the dark, there's then like little green like items that show on the white part. So when it's dark, you can see them. So it glows in the dark, and this is also supposed to glow in the dark. Right now, when you look at it, it's kind of like this cool lime green, and then it has purple, and then the black and the white. They comes with white. I wonder if it comes with 2 different colors laces. Sometimes they come with 2 different colors, but I just love it. And then it always comes with the Jumpman, right? Link everything down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'm super excited. I'm sorry this was rushed, but it's so dark out right now, and it is now 4:21. So that is it. That is everything that I want to show you. I will link everything down below.